Keeping your building clean is one challenge. Knowing where your equipment is another. Enter iLink, the revolutionary new cloud platform from iteam. First, we take you to the building. You will know where your machines are, how they are being used, and if they need maintenance. Now we give you something extraordinary. We take you inside the building to know which rooms to clean based on occupancy, to know where the machines are stored, and even to know intelligent information about the building, like emergency exits and defibrillators, and air quality levels in each space. iteam, leading the revolution in happy and healthy people and buildings. Upgrade your cleaning today and get connected to iLink.